To get set up for the exercise, you're going to put your heel right against your pad. Make sure your foot is being pressed hard into the ground. Your opposite leg is behind you, and you're trying to pull your heel to your butt and keep it into that position the entire time. From here, I'm going to push the dumbbells away as I lower my body down. Once my knee touches the mat, I'm going to stand back up under control. I can put my other foot down as I get all the way to the top because I don't need to make this a balance drill. So heel to butt with my elevated leg, slow and controlled, pushing dumbbells away, lightly tapping my knee to the ground, and then put my foot down to work on the strength of the exercise, not making a balance drill. So from the side, my heel is against the pad, my opposite leg is up, I am slowly lowering, pushing dumbbells away, standing back up, and putting my foot down.